Good morning. Today we will learn about number system in brief. We will revise what we have learned previously. So numeration means organized way of writing numerals, and also we'll study the place value. For that we have two number systems. First one is Indian system of numeration and another one is international system of numeration. First one is Indian system. So in Indian system, as we discussed earlier, we have certain periods and places. We have to follow one place value chart, which I have explained you earlier also. I am drawing here again, and it is ones, thousand, lakh, crores. So these are parts of Indian system of numeration. So ones is further divided into sub 3 parts, thousand divided into 2 sub parts, lakhs divided into 2 sub parts, crores divided into 2 sub parts. So this is a place value chart for Indian system of numeration. In this, these are called as periods, you know this, and these are called places. So ones is divided into 3 parts, have different value. First one is 1, having value 1. Second place is tens, having value 10. Third one is 100 and its value is 100. Then we come to thousands. Thousand is divided into 2 parts. First one is 1000, having value 1000. Second one is 10,000. 10,000 has a value 1000. Then we come to lakh. Lakh have 2 subparts. First one is lakh, another one is 10 lakh. So both have different values. 1 0 0 0 0 0 is lakh and 10 lakh is 1 0 0 0 0 with 6 zeros. This is 10 lakh. Now next is crore. Again in crore we have crore and 10 crore. In this we have 7 zeros. Crore 4 5 6 7, and in 10 crore we have 8 zeros. Now these are periods and these are places. You all know this. Now I have a number 1 2 6 8 0 5 4 6 3. I have to divide. I have to put commas according to Indian system. So what I do, in the first period I have 3 parts. So I count 3 digits 1 2 and 3. Comma is here. In thousand I have 2 parts 1 2. In lakhs again 2 parts 1 2, and this is how I put the commas, insert the commas according to Indian system looking at this table. Okay, if I have to write its name will be 12 crore 68 lakhs. It is a lakh. Then 05, which is in the thousand place. So it is only 5,000. And last one is 463, 463. So this is how we write the name according to this Indian system, and how we insert the commas looking at this place value table. So these are periods and these are places. Now I have to find place value of 6 in it. So place value is what? Place value is simple, you know. 6 multiplied by 6 is at which place? 6 is at 10 lakh place. So multiply by this number 1 0 0 with 6 zeros is equals to 6 0 0 0 0 0 0. So this is the place value.